Tagal ah. Ayan. So dito, thank you for subscribing. Ajit Gaming, thank you. Oh, kunin ko. This is how you do it. Kunin ko na buhayin na habang umulan. Ayan guys, mag-sauna kami. Every night we do sauna ngayon. Because it's really cold. Sauna is, oh, wow. So, ito. So, let's clean this up while waiting. Okay, there are flowers coming up. Oh my goodness. We need the sun. We need the sun, guys. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, see more. Ayan, nandiyan na si Jilana. Parang ayan na nga sila. Where are they? They're not on the driveway?
I don't know.
Isa! I don't know lang na I don't know. Ayan, linisin muna natin guys ito. Ano bang tawag dito yan? Yeah. Hi guys, we need more sunlight, sunshine, where are they? Yep. Ayan, away from any problem guys. Dito na lang tayo. Huwag isipin ng mga problema. Hi Tano. Andyan na sila. Where are you? They're waiting for you. Come on now. Are you gonna play the dirt, Jilana? Say please.
Juana, I'll be your customer.
Yeah, in the sandbox, she'll be your customer. Just tell her we'll play. Jilana, in the sandbox, Julene will be your customer. Jilana, yeah, do that, anak. Maybe over there, it's the dirt. It's better there than in the grass. Yeah. Hello, Shalane. Whoa!
I want to take it.
You wanna do it?
No, I want to take it. You see it?
Oh, okay. But you can make it shorter, anak. Do you wanna do it?
No, you can't. You can make it short.
You can. I mean, your hand. You do it in your hand. Yeah, like that. Oh,
Didn't work.
it didn't work. Okay, sorry. Thank you for subscribing.
Subscribing. Thank you. Thank you. I did not need me Tala. Girl.
No, not yet. No.